Welcome to this LS1 demonstration. I'm Anna from the LS1 team, and in this video I'm going to show you the latest addition to the LS1 product, the connection to the LS Omni mobile inventory app. In LS1 version 2017.2, an addition was made to the LS Omni server to enable the usage of LS Omni mobile inventory app together with LS1. The LS Omni mobile inventory has been released for Android devices. The LS Omni server is a WCF web service installed on an IIS server. The Omni server takes care of calling LS1 for inventory calculations and handles the replication between LS1 and the local data stored on the mobile device. For further information about how to install the Omni server, please refer to the installation guide. When the LS Omni server has been set up, you first need to create a new terminal for each mobile device connected to your LS1 setup. Users can define their own button menus for the mobile inventory app. The menus are defined here in the button menus for Omni. The main menu allows you to navigate between sub-menus with the operation selection. The menus you see here can be imported into any database with the Omni default data package. The startup menu for the app needs to be selected in the functionality profile for the mobile device. Each mobile device will need a license key which you can give to the device here. The device adds itself to this list when it has been connected to the LS Omni server. To get LS Omni mobile app licenses, contact LS Retail's licensing department. All these steps are explained in detail in the online help. Now let's take a look at the app. The app can be downloaded from the partner portal or the online help and installed on your Android device. First, we log in with a username and a password. When we log into the app, any new settings will be replicated to the device. Let's first take a look at the utility menu. The utility menu holds operations which enables us to update the inventory data manually. We can also change the location of the mobile device to another store and terminal ID. The lookup menu allows you to browse the data in the app. You can look up item, customer, and vendor information. Let's look for the item milk. You can also look for items by barcode or item ID. And here you can see the inventory information for the item milk. Now let's take a look at the inventory functionality the mobile inventory app has to offer. First, we look at the purchase worksheets. A purchase worksheet that has been created in the Site Manager can be viewed and edited in the app. A purchase worksheet, which includes a filter of items and has been opened in the Site Manager, can be opened and edited in the Inventory app. This worksheet includes all items from the retail group dairy. The Site Manager has calculated the ordering quantities from the item replenishment settings. Lines can be edited. Lines can be added. And then the changes are saved. You can also create a purchase order template that does not include an item filter. In this purchase worksheet, you can add items from the mobile app by scanning and entering the quantities. When the changes have been sent, the purchase worksheet can be opened in the Site Manager and posted to create the purchase orders. We do this for both the purchase worksheet we filled in the app. When the purchase orders have been created and sent to the vendors, you can receive the stock when it arrives at the store. Goods receiving can be handled in the mobile inventory app. To receive the stock, we open Goods Receiving menu and select Goods Receiving. Here we can select one of the purchase orders we have created earlier. The goods receiving document is pre-populated with the ordered items and quantity from the purchase order, and we can edit it if we have not received exactly what we ordered. The document can be saved at any time to be continued to work with later, or it can be sent to the site manager. When the Send button is pressed, the goods receiving document is created in the Site Manager and can be viewed and edited further from there. But when entirely done, the goods receiving document can be posted either from the Site Manager or from the app. Let's have a look at how it's done in the app. Back in the main menu, go to Goods Receiving and select Post Goods Receiving. The document we just sent in can now be posted. In this step, the goods receiving quantities can be edited further, and when all done, you press the Send button to post this goods receiving document. Then the inventory levels of your store get updated with the new stock. In the Site Manager, we can see that the goods receiving document has been posted. Another important inventory operation is stock counting. The inventory app can be used to do the stock counting. Each staff member can have a mobile device to count their part of the store. In the Inventory app, open the Stock Counting menu. Here you can see all the stock counting templates that exist for the store the mobile device is connected to. The stock counting template has been created in the Site Manager to control a few settings for the stock counting process. Multiple devices can be counting using the same template, and their counts will be inputted to the same stock counting journal. Select the area you are counting. The areas are created for each stock counting template. When counting, items can be added as before, by searching, by entering the item ID, or by scanning. You can also manage transfers between stores in the Inventory app. If the restaurant has called the supermarket and asked for some milk and some cream, then we can add those items to a transfer order in the mobile device at the supermarket. And then later, these items can be received in the mobile device at the restaurant. Now you have seen how the LS Omni mobile inventory app can connect to LS One for inventory procedures. Thanks for watching.